What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm returning with a wonderful beef stew recipe for you guys. This is so delicious. None like sitting down with a big old bowl of stew. I'm telling you, and it is so easy to make, and you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. Alright, so these are some of the ingredients we will be working with. I'm going to list them down in the description box. They'll be right down there for you so you can easily grab all your ingredients and be ready to go. So to begin, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in this pot right here. I got it nice and hot, and I'm gonna just drop in my beef just like so. I'm gonna season it up with a little bit of salt and pepper, all right? And I'm just gonna let it do its thing for about, I don't know, 7-8 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna remove it from the pan and move on to the next step. Okay, so boom, we got our onion in the pot. Next, we got to get the celery in there. All right, go ahead and drop that in the pot as well. Can't forget the carrots. Get the carrots in there as well. And last but not least, we're going to drop in some minced garlic. All right, get that in the pot as well. Give it a nice little stir. Let it go into your veggies and start looking a little bit of translucent and whatnot. So here we're gonna toss in some unsalted butter, get that melted up, and we are also gonna toss in a little bit of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna grab my spoon, give it a mix, let that flour kind of cook for a little bit. Once that's all said and done, we are going to add in our red wine. I went a little bit of heavy-handed on the red wine. In the description box with the exact measurements, I'll recommend a smaller amount of red wine, but if you want that more rich red wine taste that brings, you can add more. Okay, now we're gonna add in our beef broth. This is about 4 cups of beef broth right here. We're gonna get that in there. So now we're gonna add in some tomato sauce. We're gonna add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And we are also gonna season this up with some paprika and a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, guys. Go ahead and give it a stir, get everything well combined, and you're gonna just reintroduce that wonderful beef to the party. Go ahead and get it in a pot. And guys, you're gonna top this off and you're gonna let it go for about, I would say, an hour and 20 to maybe an hour and 30 on like a medium low. Let it simmer. And once that's all said and done, you should be looking like this. Okay, we're almost done. So we are gonna toss in some potatoes. We are gonna toss in some watercress. I love me some watercress in a stew. And we're gonna toss in some lima beans as well. All right, and guys, the watercress is optional, but guys, try it. I love some watercress in a stew, guys. It's just something about it. I just love it. All right, so go ahead and get all that in the pot. Go ahead and give it a stir, get everything all mixed up. You're gonna top it off and let it go for about another 20 to 30 minutes, guys, okay? So the cook on this stew is done, and guys, the aroma is amazing. Guys, look at this here. I'm trying to tell you, like I said in the beginning, there is nothing like a good old hearty stew. Gotta love it, guys. You got everything in here, man. You got the beef, you got the potatoes, the lima beans, the watercress, the carrots, the celery, all that, the onions. It just brings so much goodness and joy to my life, guys, and I'm sure it will be doing the same to you as well, guys, because this is so good. It's amazing. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, now let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this? And again, like I said, all the exact measurements will be down in the description box. Deuces.